Hi there, here's another Osler Short Cuts video. In this episode we're going to look at instrument knot tying for simple suturing. Getting the hang of instrument knot tying can be quite a challenge, so here's a quick walkthrough in the technique. Start with the suture almost completely pulled through the wound as shown here. Place your needle holders between the suture and the wound. Wind the suture over the needle holders, making 2 complete revolutions. Now grab the short end and pull it through the loops that you've made. Pull the suture firmly but not super tight. The long end and the short end should now have changed sides. Now repeat this process by placing the needle holders between the wound and the long end of the suture. Wind the suture over the needle holders, this time doing 1 revolution. Pull the suture firmly. Again, the ends should swap sides. Repeat this process again. Position the knot away from the wound so it won't interrupt any wound healing. If you'd like to know more about basic suturing, check out the module on suturing on Osler. Just download the free My Osler app from your app store.